slash apartment slash dorm. I don't know. Welcome. Come in. We actually gotta come in fast because the electricity doesn't work if you don't lock the doors. So that means that you're all mine for the next couple of minutes. So I'm gonna do a room tour, which is actually like my mini apartment that I'm gonna be living in Madrid while I'm studying, and I'm super happy with how my room turned out. I think that this is my most wanted video ever. So here it is finally. Oh, so I'm wearing merch for my university. Today I went to an event and they gave us these shirts and I actually love it so much. Okay, let's get started. First, over here, as you can see, we added some hangers. Also, ignore my nails. The worst has happened, guys. This is worse than everything, and I don't even know where to do my nails in Madrid, but that's life in a new city. Anyways, as you can see, I have my hangers here. My dad hung them up while he was here, and they're thankfully still on there because they're glued, so we'll see. But yeah, here I have my hangers. Then this is my wardrobe, and it's actually super spacious. It fits everything that I own. As you can see, I've also purchased this so my bags can stay in here, more tops, then here it's underwear, t-shirts, and then sleepwear. My shoes are on the bottom, and then I have more clothes on the side. I feel like it fits perfectly everything. Also, all the hangers I've purchased myself. These ones are from Madrid, these ones are online purchased, and here, for example, I'm hanging up my different pants. And so yeah, I have room for everything, and then I have my hats over here as well. But I think that it fits everything perfectly, especially my wardrobe at home doesn't fit as much, so I'm super happy with the size of this. Now we're moving on to the kitchen. That was fast, guys. Moving on to the kitchen now. I have my sink, and I bought this thing that filters the water for you. So basically, if you want to wash the dishes, it's a normal mode water. Then you can have this, which is kind of like a rain shower thing. And then if you want to do drinkable water, you just pull it up here and then you fill your water up and it filters it for you. And it's super nice because it saves space in the room, and it's not as big because I would have bought like a kettle for water. And then I have the normal things here. Also, this I bought, it's like a grill that you can like put stuff inside and like make sandwiches or just like, I don't know, some meat. And then on the top, it's a toaster. So like it's a 2-in-1. But it turns out my freaking microwave can actually grill stuff. I've never had a fancy microwave like that growing up, but like it can grill stuff. So I basically didn't know that, and I purchased this grill, but it's okay. The more the merrier, right? Then I have these sweets here. Don't think I'm gonna eat them. My trainer, if he watches this, he's gonna be like, oh, why are you eating this much junk? But this is for my floor mates, okay, guys? I'm trying to be a good neighbor. Then we have over here the stoves, and then actually here is the part where you can sit down and eat dinner. It has a big high bar chair. Is it bar chair stool? I don't know, but yay. Then I have like coffee here. I have gum over here and some protein bars. And then I have my Stanley and just stuff. I'm gonna put my napkins over here as well. But that's where I'll be eating my dinner. I'll grab one of these and just, you know, have a nice meal. Then we move on to my desk area, which actually is one of my favorite parts of the room. Not my favorite. You're gonna see what my favorite part of the room is. So here I have everything. My most favorite part is the Shawn Mendes altar. Is it altar? I don't know. But like it just has my favorite Shawn Mendes. And fun fact about this poster, the big one that says Shawn Mendes has the date. I got it for free at the concert. They selected me and gave me a free merch, and I could have picked between a hat, a poster, and a tote bag, and I picked the poster. And I think it looks super cute. Also, this has confetti from the concert, and then my Shawn Mendes VIP bracelet that I got when I was in the VIP section in London. But yeah, this is how it basically looks, and I love this part of my room so much. Over here I have my perfumes, my bedazzled Rubik's Cube, guys. This is such a good purchase. It's like a bedazzled Rubik's Cube. Who knew they sell stuff like that? So yeah, I have that. Then I have some Barbie magazines. This is a Never Dying Rose that I got from my best friend for my 20th birthday, so I brought it from home. Then here are all my electronic stuff. As you can see, I basically have electronics, things that I edit with, my speaker, just everything electronic-wise. And then these are my hair stuff that I need to buy a bin for. And then I have my sunglasses over here. I don't have too many, so they fit perfectly in here. Then on my desk, I have my jewelry box and my hairbrush. Then I have makeup brushes and lip liners. My makeup mirror with, again, Shawnee, as you guessed. Then I have my shark, which I dry my hair with. I have my computer, and then I'll show you what I have over here. This is my makeup drawer. It fits everything makeup-wise, and I'm super happy because at home I use 3 drawers. Here I could fit everything in 1 drawer. Then we have here where it's like supplies for school. Then I have cables to charge my phone with, some spare bags that maybe I can put like makeup bags for school. I have Uno game. Then I have my passports, and that's basically it. It's kind of like a junk drawer if I have to be honest, but it has everything school related. And then I have my medicine drawer that I have medicine that I brought from home, vitamins, sleeping gummies, immunity gummies, thermometer, and yeah, that's basically it. On the side, I purchased this ladder from Amazon, and let me tell you, as a big girl purchase, I love this because it's super easy to open, like this. And then I use it to reach my top cabinets in the kitchen. And I also use it when my friends are visiting. You can just use it as a chair. That's what you gotta do when you have a small room and small space. But it's super easy to even, like, as you can see, fold it back up. And it fits perfectly on the side. I also here have my tripod for filming if I ever need it. Then I have my chair. You saw it. It came with the room. It's actually super comfy. And then underneath here, I just have my big suitcase because I have nowhere else to put it. So that's where it goes right now. Also, my small suitcase is up there because, like, guys, as you can see, my room is small. So I don't have much place to put things in. And then I have an air fryer over there on the top. That's why I need a ladder, okay? I'm a short gal and I can't reach stuff like that. So I have everything. Then we're moving on to the most cozy part of my room, and it is my bed with my favorite fairy lights and my neon sign that says my name. But guys, honestly, like, it's my most favorite part of the room because it just makes it so cozy. I don't know, it adds a touch of the room that makes it super homey. This is my bed. I don't really have much explaining to do. Over there, I have a book that I brought from home, which is How to Do Hard Things, and it's one of my favorite books. I definitely recommend it. It's a fun book that has jokes, and, like, it gives you life advice, but in a very best friend type of a way. Then I have, like, a thing I got when we visited Madrid with my mom in January. Then some sentimental stuff over there. And I actually bought this block, I believe from Shein. Not too sure, but it's super handy because you can charge many stuff over there. So that's nice. Then over here on the top shelf, I have what I call my bathroom bag. So it has everything that I would need as bathroom essentials. For example, micellar water. And it's also super nice texture because if it gets wet, it's not going to get ruined. Over here, I have... Oh, I didn't remove the tags. I have face masks, different ones that I bought from here. And then on the inside, I have, like, deodorant, cotton pads, hairspray, razors, body lotion, stuff like that. More body lotion. Just like things that I would just need in my bathroom, but I don't have too much space, so we have a bathroom bag that I'm just gonna bring every time I need something. Then over here, I have some very cool geodes. Is that how you call it? Look how pretty that is. It's so nice. I got it as a gift, and it's one of my favorite belongings. I have notebooks here that I could use for school, and then I have my Kindle, hair clip. As you can see, we're making the most out of the space in the room, and my wired headphones because I really like recording with the microphone over here. It's such a nice room because it came with this bedside lamp. You could either do only the side, only the small light, both. It's super nice, and you can also control the lights in the doorway as well, so that's nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, I didn't show you guys. Yeah, I didn't show you how much space I have here and how much I've managed to put. I have my pots and pans. Look at how cute this is. I'll make an acai bowl, I promise, because when I bought this, my mom was like, what are you gonna be able to put in there? You'll see. I'll get into cooking. Then I have, like, many other containers that I can store food in when I make something, when I cook something, you know, because I'm going to become the cook of this building. Then this, actually, we didn't know you could open this until, like, a day before my dad left. So in order to open this, you need to open this small thing, which I have snacks in, as you can see. And then you need to do this, and I use it for storage for my screwdrivers. I have a hammer here. I have a filter for my watering thing, water filter. And then I have a spare soap dispenser and just, you know, storage like that for the room. And then you saw the sweets here, guys. You saw my sweet little nook. I can't really reach it, so that's why I put the sweets up there, so maybe I will like not eat them. And then I have here, what I have here is a gift from IE, actually, a tumbler. And then I got 3 mugs. This one is actually my favorite. Look how cute. My dad said it reminds him of a jacket. So did my mom, actually. And then I have, like, for example, here I have noodles and stuff like that I can prepare. Here I have sugar and salt that I can... Okay, can we not spill today anything? Yeah, like this. So it's actually super organized, easy to grab, easy access, and I actually love that. So yeah, that's what I have in here. Down here, I have my 2 kitchen towels that are actually super nice. Good job, IKEA. I have my trash cans over here that you can slide and use. I have stuff for the laundry. I have garbage bags and just stuff, cleaning supplies, I'd say. Here is my fridge. It's super empty right now, but like I just have cold water, and then I have soy sauce, but I'm gonna fill that up. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be hungry. If you know me, you know I love food. And last but not least, I have stuff for the kitchen here. I have my utensils, napkins. Look how cute those are. Those are my salt and pepper shakers. They're so subtle and nice. And I just have more cleaning supplies. Okay, let's move to the bathroom, but first I want you to see this big mirror that I super duper love, because I can do my fit checks, check myself out before I go out. So I'm super glad that there was a mirror that I did not have to buy. Now it's time for the bathroom. Okay guys, it has a sliding door, and then you walk in. It's gonna be a little bit hard to film because my mom is helping me, and the mirror will be a little bit difficult. But over here, I have some decorations that I put up. Look at this, so beautiful. Such a nice touch to the bathroom. I don't know where I bought this, but it basically makes the bathroom smell so nice. I have some towels over here, hand towels. Then we bought this, which I bought more things from IKEA like this box. I want to put one here and one here so that everything looks more organized. Then on the sink, I have a thing for my a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a soap dispenser. Then over here, I have my laundry bin, and then I have my shower, guys. So nice. It's actually spacious. And over here, my dad put this additional shelf that I can store more things, because this one wasn't gonna be enough. This came with the room and it was not gonna be enough. So I have my shower gel, my hair stuff. This is body scrub. Then I have my shampoo, shaving foam, razor, everything, just everything. And then we added these over here. As you can see, we added this since it didn't come with hangers for the towels, so we added additional ones. Then we have one here that came with the place, when I put one black towel over here for when I'm at one of those days of the month. But yeah, guys, this is my room. Honestly, I love it so much. One of the things that I really like about my room actually is the view. It's so nice because you could see very nicely outside. I'm gonna show you how I pull this up. And then look how beautiful it is. There's always natural light in my room, which I absolutely love. And I really, really, really like it. I don't know. I love it, actually. And you could only open the window, not fully, only a little bit, but that's okay. I'm not going to do that because the AC is going to stop. And also something that I love about my room that I did not have at home is something that you can make it the whole room black. So like dark, I mean dark for nighttime, so that it's completely blacked out. And I feel like this is such a cool feature to the room that I did not have. Also, I forgot to say, my room came with a TV, smart TV. I have my Spotify, my Netflix, Disney Plus, everything on here, so I could watch while I lay down. And also my room came with an AC as well, which is super nice, because some people don't have that in their rooms and it gets super hot but I'm thankfully have everything I need. But yeah, guys, this is basically my room. I hope you really, really like it. I hope you really, really enjoy it as much as I do. I feel like it feels like home in a way. It's similar to my room that I had a couple years ago with the lights in the background, so it kind of reminds me of home, but it also has a new touch. So like, I don't know, it makes me feel super safe and cozy. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think, what you like the best, what you would add to the room. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Me and my llama with a shower cap of a unicorn, which actually my sister gave me this llama. And I just added this touch because why not? Life is, you live once, be happy, you know? So yeah, let me know in the comments about the things that I told you. And I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. I love you. Bisous or besos. That's some of the languages that I'm learning right now in the residence. But cełówki in Bulgarian. Love you. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!